couldn't see this far. Down look out on tables turn. Think I walk on water, but I never let no bridges burn. It's different when it's given to you. All of mine, I really earned it. Ain't in no one business, why the fuck am I still they concerned? Ain't the one for tripping, I keep pushing, I'm like that's in word. I ain't missing my shot at this shit, everyone don't get a turn. I was thinking street, I wanted everyone in verse and rovers. Now I really see it, and I got everyone converting over. Studio, I'm standing the microphone to the session over. Niggas know we came with a lot of strong, took our section over. Took our section over.
What's good, YouTube? It's Shine. We're back with another video, as you can see from the title. Today we're going to be installing new headlights on the Mustang today. And I'm also going to be giving you an update on what I think is wrong with the car. Let's go ahead and get into the video.
Kit, my friend.
For real?
Yeah. So I can get it to engage and disengage out of reverse. But first, it don't like that. Reverse is enough of low gear to be able to get it in. But first, second, none of the others, it'll do it. So yeah, you're looking at a clutch flywheel. I'd put a flywheel in it. You can resurface the stock one, but I wouldn't.
Just gonna get in there.
And throw bearing.
Bearings.
While you're at it, I would put a
braided steel line.
A braided steel hydraulic fluid line.
Well, that's about a band.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's about a band.
Could be more.
It could, yeah, it could have been.
Could be more. Kind of stock.
Kind of stock.
Floor mount, twin turbo, custom kit. Twin 72 66 millimeter turbos.
So you got the motor mounts in there.
Yeah, she got some lower motor mounts.
It looks real stock, man, but this little, I'm saying this little intake tube tells it all.
Looks a little different.
Man, say it moves a little bit. 2,000 horsepower. See, these are the headlights for the 05 to 09, but they're the 2010 style version. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see how these look on the car. Shout out to my boy Tay5 for these, man. He gave me a good price on them, so I had to snag them.
Muller pipe me up for this one.
Hit the boy up at Creative Coding, man.
Got the shirt on. Shout out Creative Coding.
Yes, sir, man. Go the old headlights up. Raxion LED headlights with the halo ring. They the projector style. You know what I'm saying? With the black housing. Y'all hit me up at shine.s197. Alright, here you go what the new headlights look like. The Raxium LED halo ring headlights, 2010 style, with 05 to 09. You know, I mean, it's pretty simple to install. You know, you just positive, black to black. You add a few butt connectors and that's pretty much about it. This wasn't really an install video. It's kind of just a before and after. You know what I'm saying? But yeah.